guys.
Hello, hi guys.
So we are camping. We're camping in South Carlsbad, which is just a little south of Oceanside, if you're familiar with Southern California. We just got settled in and ready to go. It's about 8:30. We just got a fire started with the tents up. Night one of camping. It's actually been over a week since we vlogged last because I got sick. I'm on the mends now, but so we're on a camping trip.
Yeah.
And
trying to start some fires, get some snacks going, get some drinks in us.
yeah, we haven't started drinking yet, so we're about to get that together. We're probably gonna film a little bit. We're just with family, so we're probably just gonna sit and drink for a while and see you guys in the morning, because that's when it'll be light out, and we don't.
Yes, it will be light.
Yeah,
It's completely dark right now.
we'll film as much as we can, considering that it's just not the two of us this time. But yeah.
We'll see you guys in the morning. Hello, good fellows.
No.
We don't know him. No, I'm just kidding.
We bought our camera.
But anyways, today is
Anyway,
Wednesday.
so we've been up for a couple of hours. We made our coffee and we went for our morning walk. And now we're just gonna hang out. We have no idea what we're doing today.
Making breakfast.
Yeah, we're gonna go back to the campsite, make some breakfast. And then see where the day takes us. Oh, now she's hot.
The sun is warm, but the air is not that warm, and we're right by the ocean, so it's even cooler. But the sun is a nice warmth right now. Not me with the M&M color.
Will the rule Slim Shady please stand up? Anyway, we should show. Go. Get it. Right there with my surfboard.
Good morning.
We're here last day camping.
Apple a day. Keeps your doctor away. Or so they say. I don't know who they
Bars?
Bars. How many slices in an apple? Like 8, you think?
Probably not big apples.
Your slices are pretty small. I didn't even get to get some of my watermelon. Oh yeah, this watermelon not sweet. Very sad.
They're juicy though. Man, so it's our last day camping.
Oh, I was watching. I was wondering why you was playing with the watermelon.
Oh, I was trying to lay it down. There we go.
Mm.
That's what I was trying to do.
And that's why I didn't say nothing, because I was watching you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Well, yes. Last day of camping, it's in the morning. We're checking out around 12, and then from there, we don't know where the day is going to take us. Eventually, we'll make it home sometime today.
But it's us, so.
Maybe tomorrow. Who knows?
I'm only done with this for now. It's making me full. I want to eat my food. I want my sausage. I might have to bust open that second bag.
No.
They're good. Well, everybody had 2. That's 6 anyway.
No.
It only comes 5 in the thing.
Come 4.
5.
Really?
Yeah.
So 10 pieces.
That we brought? Yeah. 15 in the...
No, I meant 10 pieces if you cut them in half. So everybody get 3.3.
Shout out.
3.3 pieces of sauce good.
So I don't be fucking with you.
Yeah, because I be making word problems.
You be making 0 sense.
That makes sense. And there's 10 pieces of sauce gay, and then there's 3 pieces. I mean 3 pieces. 3 people. How many sausages do you
3.33. Bar.
Bars.
No, nigga, bar. 3.33 bars. And it keeps going and going. I don't remember a lot from math, but
it doesn't keep going when you got the sauce gay because it's finite, it's not infinite. You split into 3.
So 3 1/3. No, 3 bar.
Is it even? It's a term though, right? It's not just called the bar. Is it?
I don't know.
Tell us if y'all know what we're talking about.
They don't know what we're talking about. Nobody knows what we're talking about.
It's basic math when you divide.
That's not basic math.
In the letters.
No, nobody need a bar.
No, at the
shit is finite.
That's true.
No average person needs bar.
That is so. We got some edibles.
So we got some treats. Our first one is from Ohm. It's cannabis infused THC CBD gummies in watermelon flavor. 10 milligrams of THC in each gummy, and 2 milligrams of CBD per gummy as well.
Space Gems.
You said no?
And they're 10 milligrams THC and less than 1 milligram CBD for each piece. And I really, really like this container. You can reuse, reduce, recycle.
Yeah, so these are from Space Gem. It's a company started in 2013. We already looked up these because we like the packaging a lot. They are reusable. Made with ice water hash from Humboldt County. And we got the sour assorted flavors.
They're pretty sour.
They are pretty sour. I don't think it tells you a list of flavors.
You just got to be surprised.
Yeah. Oh, I read on the website that the flavors rotate out per package.
Oh, that's cool.
So no one packaging is the same. So they have regular, CBD, and sour are their 3 that were provided at our local dispensary. And they're pretty good. The high on these is it's pretty powerful. These ones are very mellow, I feel. Did you feel that way? Yeah. It's a mellow, smooth high. Nothing too crazy. But these,
they're sour.
They are sour, and they take it there.
Sour, don't get sour Space Gems.